For this activity, please go to student.desmos.com, and when you get there, you're going to be asked for a class code, and go to the calendar link, and the calendar should have a class code, and you can write down your class code here. So when you log on, you should be able to see the farm that they gave you. The farm starts with 30 red roses, and you can partition that farm any way you want. So if you grab the black dots, you can move those black dots around, and you can change the partitioning of that farm. Okay, so I'm going to leave it as 30 roses, like that, 30 rows, and I'm going to maybe make my orange ones, I'm going to make it 4 by 4, so I'm going to fill that in like that. You don't have to fill in each individual box. And my purple one, I think I'm going to partition it maybe something like this. I don't know exactly how that works, but you can partition that in, and however way you partition it, I want you to then record your results on the chart. So you have your chart here. You record that online and record that on here as well. So I have 30 parts, so it's 30 to 100 ratio for my red. For the green flowers, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 14, 17, 19. So that's my trees, so that's 19 out of 100. So that's going to be 19 to 100 ratio. My purple flowers, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So for my purple flowers, I have 23 out of 100. So that's going to represent 23 to 100 ratio. And the orange flowers, it looked like I had 7 by 4. So for the orange flowers, it looks like I have 28. Now I hope I did this correctly, and if I did, that should add up to 100. Okay, so just be careful with your counting and just double check. You can double check with your counting. So that's the first 2 screens. And when you go to the third screen, you can start filling out rest of this. Okay, so you want to then do the part to whole ratio of Angela's farm that they give you the picture of, and then answer the question. So again, go through the rest of these problems. Make sure you record the different results. So for screen 6, you're now on to Axel's farm, and there's some questions to answer for this. When you do this, please again make sure that you've logged on so that your results can be kept track of, so I can see that you've actually done the assignment. Please record your results on the sheet as well. So make sure you have a printed sheet so that you can record these results for later use.